All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to use Tesla Summon and make your car come to you like magic. Tesla Summon is a feature that allows you to move your car in and out of tight parking spaces or even have it come to you within a short distance. Here's how you can use it. 1. Enable Summon. Open your Tesla app and go to Controls. Make sure Summon is enabled in your car's settings under Autopilot. 2. Stand close to your car. Summon works when you're near the vehicle, generally within 200 feet. 3. Open the Tesla app. Tap on the Summon option in the app. You'll see directional buttons like forward and reverse. 4. Use the controls. Hold down the directional button to move your Tesla in the desired direction. Your car will move slowly and stop when you release the button. 5. Smart Summon, if available. For cars with full self-driving capability, you can use Smart Summon. Press and hold the Come to Me button in the app, and your Tesla will navigate around obstacles to reach your location. 6. Safety first. Always keep an eye on your surroundings and be ready to stop the car if needed by releasing the button or pressing stop in the app. Summon is perfect for squeezing into tight spaces or impressing your friends. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.